Beautiful salon of each.
She's showing us how we can tighten our skin with little to no downtime. Hello, Heather.
Hey, yeah, so we all want to look wonderful for summer. Good morning to both of you. Good morning to everyone at home. Now, there's two places on probably women and men as well where we start aging first, and that's what we're going to get into here at Art of Skin with Dr. Melanie Palm. We are working on, what is this called? Your Decollete. Yes. So I didn't know this before I got here this morning, but women, we age and we show our age first in the tops of our hands and that area on our chest. And I was actually thinking, well, when I have my face regimen or put on any kind of creams, I don't think about putting it here on my neck or on my hands. Is that something that we should be doing?
Absolutely. I think sometimes our neck, our chest, and the hands give our age away. We take such good care of our facial skin. So this is a great way to preserve and improve some of the sun damage and changes that happen with aging to the chest area.
Yeah, there's not many hats that you can wear, whether you're going for a run outside or going for a beach day, that are going to completely cover that area. So maybe not thought about as much. So what is this that we're doing, and how is it going to help?
So it's Ultherapy. Ultherapy is an ultrasound-based technology, and it was actually approved back in sort of the mid-2000s, originally for the brow, but now we have actual FDA clearance for the chest area. It produces collagen as a result of the ultrasound energy, and that builds and lifts the tissues over about a 3 to 6 month period.
Now, I noticed that she put on a little bit of markings. Is that to just find out the right areas, or what does that do?
Yeah, that's a grid. It's really important with Ultherapy that you get the right amount of that ultrasound energy being into the tissues themselves in order to get this lifting effect. So it's a guide for us. It's really simple. Patients are able to do it just comfortably. Here you can see our patients doing great. It takes about 30 minutes to do a complete treatment for the chest area.
And if you were going to go in for a half-hour facial or something like that.
Exactly. And this is really going to give you some oomph for that bikini area this summer.
Now is this, so what I'm wondering, is this doing discoloration or just lifting and kind of tightening?
So this does more skin texture, but the laser and light procedure that we showed before would be helpful and is a wonderful complement to Ultherapy if we're trying to get rid of some of the sun damage, or there are things that we can do at home.
Right, that's what we're going to talk about right now. Not only did you get a lot of your home remedies put in InStyle magazine this month, but you also have some things that are very simple to do. So people can start putting on those creams for preventative measures. What are your two favorites?
Well, I think you need to treat the chest area delicately. It is a little bit different skin than the face. So either you need to use some of the products you're using on your face less frequently, but I have some great recommendations for things. So the first thing we have is a growth factor cream. This is Journée. It's actually got growth factors in it, and it's got a great sunscreen. So it's something wonderful to use on the chest, isn't going to irritate it, and the growth factors help with collagen production over time. And then the second thing I usually recommend for patients at nighttime is we've got our own necklatage, so meant to be used on the neck and décolleté area. And this contains a little bit of retinol, has some proteins that help with sun damage, brightening the skin over time, and really rejuvenating the skin at home while you're doing procedures here in the office.
Wonderful. I love it. And Raul, I know you've been working on the bod, so the more you start showing that chest off, you might want to put some SPF